This thing can change any lens to a macro lens, which is cost under 50 bucks, and it's called lens extension tube. You might know about it, but let me explain how it works. Basically, when you're using a lens on a camera, then the lens will project the light to the sensor of the camera based on the size of the sensor you have. That's why we have full frame and APS-C lenses. If you're using the APS-C lenses on a full frame camera, then you will get vignetting on your image. That's because the APS-C lenses will project the light based on the size of a APS-C sensor, which is smaller than the full frame sensor. So the way the extension tube works is that it will project the light bigger than the size of the sensor, and you will get more reach in focus, which provides macro capability on your lens.